What is up, guys? We just gonna take her out, stop by the UPS store, drop off some things. It's actually it's hotter than I expected, actually. I'm wearing I don't know. We'll just continue on with it. Go for a quick ride. You know, I bought a PS5 remote used, and it said like new. Okay, bro, I got it, and it was like, bro, it was so dirty. It was so dirty, man. It was like, and like it was like kind of like broken on the lip too, like the edge of it. Broken, and so I just returned it. I'm just gonna return that, return some GoPro mounts that I bought as well. Yeah, you know, easy little quick ride to this UPS store right here. So just wanted to take y'all along, wanted to take the bike. It's gonna be cloudy all day, rainy tomorrow, so no riding for the rest of the week. I think it's gonna be raining the whole week or something. But next week I'll be going to an auto show for like my work. So it's gonna be like a bunch of bikes there, a bunch of other cars, stuff like that, you know. So it's gonna be a cool event. Hopefully I can record a little bit there because it's a work event, so you can't really record too much. But I'll try and record the cars when I pull up or something, and record the bikes and stuff just a little bit, you know. Either on my phone or the GoPro or something. Why don't you just pull up? Okay. I'm telling you, man, Virginia drivers are just very special. Cool. Very cool. Right here. Right here, baby. Right here, baby. Right here. Damn it, this guy got a big old package. I got you, bro. Yeah, thank you, man. That took me a while.
Oh, hello. Janice? Yes, Janice. J-A-N-I-S, and then the last name L-E-D. You have to put that right in track in. Is it Tulane? Tulane. T-U. 7011. Oh, okay. Horrible. No chocolate because I'm afraid of.
I'm just dropping these two things off, man. That's the first one. And then this is the second one. Thank you very much, ma'am. That's all? All right. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, Mick. You have a wonderful day. Oh, don't mind. Don't worry about it. You're too nice. Damn, maybe I did park too close. Oh well. Alrighty, guys. That was it. Go back and hang with my dog now. So I got until whatchamacallit, Wednesday until I go back to work. You know, so I had like 5 days off already. It's been a while. Let's go this way. Mobile one. Oh wait, mobile. It's not mobile. Mosaic. Bro, you know how expensive it is to live in this one of these places, bro? Or like Tyson's Corner or something. I don't know how y'all people do it.